Week 1, day 5. Happy 4th of July. Yep, it's 4th of July. It is our nation's 250th birthday. Sorry, I'm kicking rocks out of the way. Which is pretty fun to see, and I guess, you know, we've made it this far. May the Lord continue to give us favor and make it further. Alright, yesterday we didn't do anything. We traveled back to Dallas. Hung out with my kids and my granddaughter, and my son yelled at me. We're hanging out in a restaurant eating lunch, and I was messing with my granddaughter and having a great old time. Just got her laughing and giggling, and my son was like, "Dad, you need to stop. You're way too loud for these other people that are in the restaurant, and it's kind of embarrassing." And I was like, "So what? My granddaughter and I are having fun. Like, let us giggle and laugh." And he's like, "No," and he yelled at me. Anyway, that's why we didn't work yesterday. Today, we're going to put some ceiling joists up and hopefully get a few rafters up. I love twisty boards. So I love twisty boards.
You want those towels?
No, I think I can just use my fat gut. That could help. I mean my muscles, right? Right, Tony? That's big gun, Tony. Alright. Makeshift pergola is done, with the exception of we're 2 ceiling joists shy. But I think we have extra rafter material, which we'll rip down and use them for that. Right now we're just going to make rafters. Shelly's over there measuring stuff for the rafters. Chickens are out doing their chicken thing. Shelly,
Yes, sir.
how's it going?
Oh, fine.
Is that right?
Well, this kind of rolls a little, but that's my best guess.
That's okay.
All right, can you cut those, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Get on your ladder, girl. How you doing?
It looks good.
Your dad would be proud how many nails are up here. However, unlike him, I have not blown out an inch.
Well, that's good.
I feel like I have literally...
Like you've been at a water park all
I feel like
day?
I've played in the rain.
Yeah.
And I'm like... Only it hasn't rained.
You know that soaked feeling you have at being at a water park where you're all hot but you're drenched?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that.
I'm there. Yeah.
Only we're not having fun on slides.
No water park.
Just good sweat.
Okay. Well, I think your math is mathing.
Well, praise the Lord. We
So-
can keep going then.
Congratulations, Shelly.
I'm sorry. I was just really not confident in that.
Shelly's math is working.
I love your sweat prints from your knees.
You love my sweaty knee prints?
They look like horse hooves or something.
Your knees look like horse hooves. Wow. That should be written somewhere in the Song of Solomon, I think. Okay, that's it. Day 5, week 1, done. What we ended up having to do, because we were short a couple of 2x6s, we had these 2x8s that were horrible, terribly, they got crowns and they're crooked, so we use those as ceiling joists up there, and they're fine. Who cares? It's just a single car garage, really, for that guy right there. It's our well house. So, not bad for 2 old people in a week. I mean, I'd like to see some sheathing on, for sure, but not going to happen. Why? Because it's 107 right now, and I don't feel like being out here anymore. It is just hot. I'll give you a drone shot so you can look over it. Not bad. It'll pass.